How to export your audio as a WAV file in AudioMass. First of all, open your project in AudioMass and make sure your audio editing is complete and ready for export. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on the File option. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Export or Download. Once you select Export or Download, a new window or prompt will appear, giving you options for export formats. Here, choose WAV as the export format because WAV file offer high quality audio without compression. You will also have the choice to select either mono or stereo audio. After selecting WAV, click the export button to start the download process. Your browser will then download the audio file to your default downloads folder. Make sure to check the downloaded file to confirm that the export was successful and the audio quality is intact. Exporting as WAV in AudioMass is quick and ensures you get a clean, high-quality audio file for your projects. And that's it. Now you know how to export as WAV in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.